here, baby!
What's up, YouTube? We're here at Guggenheim School. I'm here with Christian and Rylan. We just launched this model rocket. I just want to know, what do you guys think of the way the small rocket performed today? Merry Christmas! You have any messages for any of our followers at home?
Stay safe!
Yeah!
Out here in this crazy place!
Yeah!
And don't forget, smash that like button. Don't forget to click that bell if you want notifications for more videos about model rockets, fishing, family, friends,
And fun! And makeup! Sephora and Ulta!
And don't forget, model rocket juice.
Yeah! Model rocket juice!
Alright, we'll catch you guys next time on this episode of
Model Rocketry!